Hey everyone, we are from Stotts College and we are going to present a presentation, and our topic is teaching tolerance for children with disabilities in regular schools. So it's a communication. Communication is a process of exchanging ideas, conveying messages, information between two persons. While communicating, there is a sender who gives the information and there is a receiver who listens. And the effective communication is an important part, and that which defines verbal speech needs to listen properly and clear understanding. And there is a myth that we can't digest a food without communicating. So communication with disabled people, it needs a better communication with disabled people. It needs methods, strategies and consultations. It is difficult to communicate with disabled people because some patients suffer from sensory problems. Like they suffer from their eyesight, some cannot hear, some cannot speak. So there are limited language skills who are suffering from intellectual disabilities. So I have already discussed that the sensory problems such as hearing, sight, speech and vision, confusion and dementia. Sometimes there is not a clear understanding between communication. They face short attentions and much neglection. There are some sort of children who are studying in schools but who are disabled. They face some kind of neglection. They're thinking that they are not getting their proper intentions of their teachers and all as compared to the normal children. So difficult in memory processing. Effective methods of communication used for disabled people create welcoming environment with a special care that they can feel that they are normal and they are like others. They have the rights. So speak with the respect and in a smooth way, pay attention to non-verbal signals. As the people who are disabled, they can understand non-verbal signals very well instead of verbal signals. Give time to think and have patience and use active listening skills. There is a chart type of limitations we have of hearing, seeing, communication, mobility, agility, pain and learning. So there is a percentage giving with that. So there are some barriers that we have: a poor, limited understanding of learning disabilities, pre-assumptions and bases about the people with learning disabilities, inability to understand the form of communication used by people with learning disabilities. So here's a conclusion. Effective communication plays an incredible role in counseling sessions. So one should be emphatic, reflect feelings according to the clients and be congruent. Overall, the communication process creates a strong and fulfilling relationship. There is a organization in India named Pingalwara who is working with disabilities patients, and they give them such an environment. And the founder of the Pingalwara was Bhagat Puran Singh, who suffered a lot just to give the proper environment and a very calm environment to the disabled people. And his last words were, give such a service to the poor people, give such a service to the disabled people that they can die with dignity. That's it. Thank you.